Hello students, today I am going to discuss chapter number 2 exercise 2.2 with you. That is the third lecture of this chapter, and now before we starting this exercise I am going to discuss concept of this exercise with you. So firstly we'll discuss the sum and the product of the zeros, and student, we know that ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial that is in our syllabus. And let it will give, it has two answers, its power is 2, so it will give maximum 2 zeros. Now, so the concept is we can find the sum of these zeros directly by using these formulas. The first one is sum of the zero is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b over a, and the second is the product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c over a. These formulas we will use in this exercise. So first one is exercise 2.1. Firstly we'll read the statement. What is that? Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. So now the first question, first part is x square minus 2x minus 8. Now student, firstly we will solve this by factorization method. The first one is x square minus 4x, the sum is minus 2 and product is minus 8. You know that how to do factorization, so it will become x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. So I will not discuss this factorization with you, you know this method already. So I have just first two terms, from the first two terms I have taken x common, from the next two terms I have taken 2 common. Now, so there are two factors x plus 2 and x minus 4. So to find zeros we have to put these two factors is equal to 0. So means either x plus 2 is equal to 0 and or x minus 4 is 0. So we are getting two answers, x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 4. Now students, we know that sum of 0 means we have to add these two zeros. We have to minus 2 plus 4, the answer is 2. And the second is product of the zeros. Product of 0 means we have to multiply these two numbers. Minus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 8. Now student, we will verify these answers by the formula that we already know. So what is the verification? The verification is x square minus 2x minus 8. So when you compare with this ax square plus bx plus c, so what is a? A is 1, b is minus 2 and c is minus 8. So what is that? We know that in the beginning of this lecture I discussed this formula. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b over a. B minus is there already, so b is also minus 2, minus plus, that answer is 2. So the product of 0 is c over a, c is minus 8, a is 1, so minus 8. Just see students, minus 2, sum of 0 by directly adding the zeros is 2, by formula it is also 2. Now the product is minus 8, now the product is also minus 8. So students, that was the completion of these questions, and all the questions are same, but I will discuss one more question with you. So that is part third. So that is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So students, what is the condition for the polynomials? We have to write any polynomial or increasing order or decreasing order, but we mostly will use in the descending order, means decreasing power of, that is minus 7x minus 3. Now, so we will solve this by factorization. 6x square minus 9x plus 2x. Students, this is a factorization method. Everybody know how to solve this. Now, so what is that? Now what is common in them? So I think 3x is common. So what will be the answer? 2x minus 3. Now the next one is 2x minus 3. Nothing is common, so I will write only 1. Now, so what are the factors? 3x plus 1 and the next is 2x minus 3. To find zeros, 3x plus 1, we have to make this polynomial equal to 0. So either 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, so x will be equal to minus 1 by 3. This is the first 0, or second is x is equal to 3 by 2. So student, we got the value of these zeros, but now we have to find the sum of 0. Sum of 0 is minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So answer is minus 2 plus 9 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6. So I have done just simple LCM. So the next one is product of zeros. Product of zeros is equal to, we have to multiply these two zeros. So what is the answer? 3 cancel out. Answer is minus 1 by 2. Now I will do the verification also. I will just do the verification. Verification is by a formula. So we have 6x square minus 7x minus 3. And student, in the beginning I already told you, you have to rearrange the terms. So what is A is 6, B is minus 7. Student, just take care about the signs also. So C is equal to minus 3. So now the sum of the zeros is equal to minus B over A. So minus 7 over 6 is equal to 7 by 6. Now student, that is 7 by 6. Now again this is 7 by 6. So by directly adding the zeros, answer is same, and by formulas the sum of zeros, that is same. The last one is product of 0 is equal to C over A. So what is C? We know that is minus 3, that is a 6. After do the cancellation, your answer is minus 1 by 2. Again, now student, you can verify the answer. The product is minus 1 by 2 and the product is also minus 1 by 2. So here we have finished the two parts of the first questions, and hope you have understood. Thank you so much.